Okay, good morning everybody. I'm going to do a more thorough tour of the final version of this generator box after I, have it working properly, but the thing that everybody can see right away is that these pulleys are bigger again. The motors I'm using for generators are double the size of the motors that get put into the tiny generators that they sell for these engines. So I have a feeling that a big problem I'm having is that the static friction on the little motors, especially because the magnets in a brushless motor will catch on the, there's more of them, so there's more spots where the static friction can just build up if there's a small hitch in movement. So anyhow, I think that it's just there's too much leverage with the smaller pulley on the engine, so I'm gonna use this bigger pulley. The generators are going to turn slower, but hopefully that will mean the engine will be able to keep working under load instead of getting stalled out right away. But for now, I'm going to see if I can get the ET1 started and see if my theory about the pulley size for these motors is correct, because like I said, I think it's just they're too big. Oh, and I forgot to put water in my hoppers, so once I get this started, I'll have to go get some water and put water in the hopper, because I don't want to run this engine for any amount of time, especially under load, without water in it for cooling. Alright. The pulley belt flew off right away, so I guess we'll just deal with that after we get the engine going. Alright, and that is the freshly cleaned and gapped PK generic plug. I know I said I have some other newer plugs with brands, but I'm not using one of those yet. We'll see how this goes and then work from there. So I'm going to give that a minute to warm up and get some water in it, and then we'll put the belt on and see what happens.